Okay, let's start to lesson of English pronunciation. I remember that I studied for many years, but it's so hard. It was so hard, but now I'm going to teach you a true English pronunciation. Let's start. Remember please, breakfast in the morning, similar to one disagreeable object on your mouth, morning, and lunch in the afternoon, okay, and dinner the night, yes, and after this mini lesson, please, no me sale la palabra. Listen, my rap, English rap. I have breakfast in the morning, in the afternoon and night. Perfect English pronunciation, going to teaching I alright. I have breakfast in the morning, in the afternoon and night. Perfect English pronunciation, going to teaching I alright. Alright. Yeah, baby. When your teacher asks you something but you don't have an answer, no problem, you reply, sorry, I did not eat long time yet. I have not eat in the morning, in the afternoon and night, but I watched you do the videos about pronunciation that you love. You like my pronunciation, teacher? If your teacher asks you sometimes and you oops forget answer, what problem? You reply, profe, yo no sé hablar inglés. We have response for all situations one day you could have, but if you don't will suspend, so I didn't take responsible. English pronunciation. English pronunciation. English pronunciation. Profe, you like my pronunciation?